So we grab a couple bricks, get that bad boy up, put that one to the back to give it a tilt. Crack the top. You gotta open the wall board up here. Put a nice little splash of oil to drain out. Do a little wiggle. Right. You see we're missing two little legs on it. That's what it is. We're gonna set her back up. We're gonna close that. We're gonna put this one on. We're gonna close that. Here, the crunchies. I take my 4171-75. No rinse. Evaporator cleaner. Here, I'm taking hard to reach spots, break some of that off. Stay nice and cool that way. Flip her over. Give her another squirt. Cloth and give her a good wipe down. Alright. And you see these caps are tight on top here. Let me see that thread is pretty beat up with dirt and grime. A lot of times your hoses will need to be clean and have a good seal. And most of the time when these guys give me these vacuums, I don't even really have to rebuild them. So we're going to clean that port. This is a port that's going to come off too and get cleaned. And you can see the rubbers, I mean, they're not too bad a shape, but you know that nobody does maintenance on their stuff, man. You know, we'll be the first ones to complain that the customers don't change the filters and don't take care of their equipment. You go and you look at the equipment that we're using and that we're taking care of, and you're like, oh, well, maybe these guys should start practice what they preach. A lot of times it just boils down to, listen, this vacuum pump is not sucking this unit down. I'm installing. I'm going to go buy me a brand new one, and I don't have an issue. In this case, they've sat in this guy's garage for quite a few years, and he's moved out, and he has given me two. He said, if I can have one working, you can take the other one for parts. He gave me some tools. A lot of them are old-time tools, but tools are tools, so. That's going to be our oil lug. So we will add oil. It's pretty simple. You pour it in that hole right there. You have a line over here. This little son of a gun was thirsty. So, you know, I got some more in the truck. I'll be right back. Painters. Oh, we go reaching for nylon. We grab a caparoo. Add some sealant. We're good there. Let's put some oil. Now I gotta flip her over. And I'm bought out of nylon, so I'm trying to prop it so it drains here, because I'm gonna grab these caps here. And we are going to add some analog to that. The threads will pull it around. Alright, we're going to add some analog to that one. And we're pretty much wrenched on, so a little bit overhand tight there. That's off, that's on, so food for thought. Yeah, it's gonna get a little taste of it. And grab our test stove. And we power it on. Open the top for your vacuum port. Push in. Mode H2O. Open the ballast up. That is close. Not pumping under 1,000.